Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a list of travel essentials and clever storage solutions that make life on the go way easier. From ultra-compact organizers to must-have items for keeping everything neat and tidy, these products have you covered for any adventure. Whether you're packing for a trip, organizing your closet, or just looking to make daily life a little simpler, these are practical, space-saving solutions you didn't know you needed. Let's check them out. This is a makeup bag that fits everything and keeps it organized. Its storage sections keep each item in its place, and the wide handle makes it easy to carry. This is a compact, large-capacity bag perfect for everyday essentials like cosmetics, keys, and bank cards. Comfortable to carry, it keeps everything in one spot. This is a rotating organizer that's super handy for closet storage. It holds items on both sides and is made of transparent, waterproof material for easy access. This is a double-sided storage bag for underwear and socks. It's transparent, easy to hang, and saves space in the closet while keeping items fresh. This is a laundry bag that protects delicate clothes like sweaters and long skirts from snagging or tangling in the washer. It comes in multiple sizes with a durable zipper. This is a non-woven shoe bag that keeps your shoes clean, dust-free, and organized, saving closet space and making them easier to store. This is a pant organizer that lets you neatly store folded pants, making them easy to access without disturbing others. Its transparent design shows contents at a glance. This is a hanging vacuum compression bag, perfect for storing bulky clothes like winter jackets. It's airtight, saving space in the closet while keeping items fresh. This is a travel shoe case that keeps shoes separate from clothes in your suitcase so they won't lose their shape or spread any odor. Holds up to 3 pairs. This is a foldable shopping bag with a large capacity. It's durable, easy to store, and great for shopping trips with a convenient roll-up design. This is a large storage bag for seasonal items like blankets and quilts, keeping them moisture-proof and neatly organized. This is a bag dispenser for used bags. Its large capacity, hanging design is perfect for storing bags in a clean, accessible way. This is a protective sleeve that keeps your arm dry when washing. It's comfortable, waterproof, and easy to clean. This is an airtight storage bag with a secure lid to keep food items fresh, moisture-free, and safe from pests, making your pantry look tidy. This is a vacuum storage bag, great for storing thick blankets and winter clothes. It compresses bulky items to save a ton of space in your closet.